Welcome everyone to the voicemail.mymessageready.com tutorial. We'll do this in several steps. The first step that you'll notice here is you've already logged in. You're logging in with your email and password, which you have received on your welcome email. Those are two things that you'll need is your email and password, and the third thing is your point-to number. That'll be the phone number that you tell your provider or set for your phone to forward to all your voicemail. Okay, now, we'll assume that part has been done, and now what we're going to do is go into the application itself. You just simply click on the top left where it says Application. There's 5 pull-down menus. One is audio files, which you'll need. Disk usage and Google Maps are for your information. Phone book and voicemail are the other ones you'll need. We'll click on audio files. Now, it starts off with a folder called Standard. The way these folders work are the same as your Internet Explorer. Your Windows Explorer would work. If you want to create a new folder, very simple. Let's just call it a new folder. FOLDR. Now we have a new folder. You don't need to create them. If you choose, you choose. So now we have a new folder. And now if you want to create a voice audio file, let's create one. Let's create a file. There's 2 ways to do that. One, you can upload an existing WAV file, or you can record one directly from your PC. Let's just try that. Let's record from our PC. It'll say, please allow access to the microphone. You say yes. When you're ready to start recording, you click on the record button here. Let's do this now. Hello, you've reached my voicemail. Thank you so much for calling. I'm unavailable. Please leave your number and I'll get back with you promptly. Thank you. Okay, so that was my message. Now I press save. I'll name the file with a .wav extension. It automatically pre-names it for you with an encrypted number. But what we can simply just do it is, let's just say, we'll call it main wave. Okay, .wav. Now we have main.wav. You can certainly listen to it just by pressing on this if you want to hear it back.
Hello, you reached my voicemail.
I don't need to hear the whole thing, nor do you. And then you can, just like in Windows, you can simply minus sign this and minimize it, and it's right here on the bottom. If you're ever going to click back up, you can. You could do that with all the files, or you could simply close it or maximize it. Now, the next thing we have is we go to the actual voicemail itself, which is like an email. You can see you'll have inbox saved and everything else. You go to the settings, and the settings is where you pick your message. Let's say we choose default. Let's just hear that and see how it sounds. We press update. Now we're going to go default. I dial the number here. I'll dial remotely so everyone can hear.
Person at extension 19543584439 is a...
Hence, you're not going to want to use that. Okay, now, then we go back into settings again. We click audio. We click the actual voicemail we just made, which is under new folder, main wave. Select, update. I dial my main number again. And let's see what happens. See if it's any different this time.
Hello, you reached my voicemail. Thank you so much for calling. I'm unavailable. Please leave your number and I'll get back with you promptly. Thank you.
Hi, this is My Message Ready, just doing a test phone call. Let us know how it works. Then I close that. You can hear the difference in the default versus custom message. If we go here, we see the message that I just left here. And if you want to play the message, you just click here. Or click here, actually. I'm sorry.
Hi, this is My Message Ready, just doing a test phone call. Let us know how it works.
Okay, and there we go. And everything's saved. If I choose to delete this, I could delete it, which will move it to trash. I can move it to inbox saved or trash myself. I could mark it as listen to or not, however I want to choose to mark it. Anyway, so enjoy with that. Now, we'll finish with this, and then we'll go to part 2 on how to customize your messages. In addition, I just want to let everyone know as well this voicemail was sent to me as an email as well. Okay, as everyone can see, you can see it was sent to me as an email. I could actually listen to this. This also would have gotten
Hi,
sent
this
to
is my message ready, just doing a test phone call. Let us know how it works.
and you can simply click here. It'll bring you to the login screen, or cut and paste and go here as well. It gives you the details of the number, the from number, the mailbox number that it came into, and that's that. So back to the application. So now the third thing we want to do is we want to customize a phone book. Now let's take a look at my friends here, and I have John Doe. Let's click on this and we'll edit John Doe. Now I'll put in a phone number that I'll be calling from with this caller ID. So I put in a phone number that I'll be calling from for this demonstration. And and what I want to do is I want to leave a special message. So we'll go back to the applications, click on audio files, and I'm under new folder, and I will create a new one, record it on the screen. And we press record. Hey, John Doe. I bet you have no idea how I know it's you that's calling, but I'm not available. So do me a favor, leave a message and I'll get back with you because you're so important to me. Thanks. So then I click on that. I save that. Now this will be my custom message for John Doe. We'll call it John Doe. How's that sound? That's pretty good to me. Then I'll go over here to back to my voicemail box here, and I will click on the actual. Oh, I'll go to settings. I'm sorry. I'll go to settings, and I'll see over here the caller ID of John Doe. I'll click on the caller ID of John Doe, and now within the caller ID of John Doe, I could use a custom. I could edit it. Use a custom message. I browse for my custom messages. I go into new folder, and it says John Doe. Update. Okay. And then my assignment, we minimize, escape there. Update this. Okay. It's all been set. Now I'm calling from the same exact number that I had before, which is, we're going to read this caller ID, and I dial, and let's see what happens.
Hello, you reached my voicemail. Thank you so much for calling. I'm unavailable. Please leave your number. I'll get back with you promptly. Thank you.